In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track expenses in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable system that shows where your money goes and helps you stay on budget. Start by opening Airtable and creating a new base. Choose Add a base, then start from scratch and give it a clear name like Expense Tracker so it's easy to find later. Think of a base as a flexible spreadsheet database. It keeps your information organized while still being easy to use. Inside your new base, rename the default table to Expenses, so the purpose is obvious at a glance. Now set up the fields you'll use every time you log a purchase. Create a date field using the date type so entries sort correctly. Pick a date format you prefer. Add a category field as a single select with options such as food, bills, and transport. This makes your totals meaningful later. Add a description field with single-line text to quickly note what the expense was for. Create an amount field with the currency type and choose your currency symbol and decimal format. Finally, add a payment method field as a single select with options like cash, card, and online. If you like, you can color code categories to make them easier to scan. Now it's time to record your spending. Click the plus icon to add a new record. For each purchase, enter the date, pick a category, write a short description, add the amount and choose the payment method. Repeat this for each transaction. Keep descriptions specific enough to jog your memory and enter amounts as positive numbers for clean totals. To make this a habit, log expenses as they happen. The Airtable app is handy for that. There's a link to Airtable at the top of the description so you can open it in your browser or download the app if you prefer. Once you've got entries, organize and summarize them. Click Group and Group by category to see your spending broken down by type. Airtable will show subtotals for each category, which makes it easy to spot where money adds up. At the bottom of the amount column, add a sum to view your total expenses across the entire table. You can temporarily switch the grouping to payment method if you want to see how you're paying for things. Make it a habit to review your expenses weekly or monthly. Look at the category totals and the overall sum to understand your patterns, then adjust your budget based on what you see. Consistency is what turns this into a powerful tool. That's it. Simple, clear, and effective. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.